Today is the last update before the finale for my Panzat palette project pan. And last update, there were only 2 shades left in the palette, one of them being the yellow, and there only was the tiniest strip of it. And as I told you last time, I repressed it with a little bit of the brown shade next to it to create a tiny Franken bronzer. This is how it looked last update. It was a pretty good shade match, and this is how it looks now. And yes, it's empty. It took me 8 uses to finish it. Even if there was a little bit of the brown shade mixed in it, I counted the uses for the yellow shade. So we have a 4th shade finished in the palette, and this one took me 193 uses in total to finish it. The second shade is the cooler brown that I've learned to appreciate and to make a part of my daily routine. I now use it every day as a contour shade as it is intended to be used. I've used it 28 times since the last update, and this is how it looks now. Last time I told you that I hadn't decided between repressing it into a bronzer because it would be easier to finish it before the finale, and keeping using it as a contour shade because it was funnier and more challenging. But I'm so done with having to make Franken bronzer shades work for me. I don't want to end the year struggling with an off shade every day. I don't really have any powder products that I can mix with this shade. I don't want to sacrifice any of my bronzers because I like them all as they are, and my only face powder is so old that I only use it as dry shampoo now, and all the trials that I've made throughout the year to mix this palette with liquid products weren't very successful, to say the least. All that to say that I'm gonna take the risk to fail at finishing the whole palette and keep using it as a contour shade. There's still quite a bit of product. From above it looks nearly identical, but it's a bit flattened, so maybe I'm not too far away from finishing it. Now let's talk about the blush challenge. The goal is to use at least each blush 20 times this year. Last update I was over the 20 uses mark for 3 of my blushes, and this month I'm at or over the 20 uses marks for 9 of my blushes. So I'm pretty thrilled, and I have my biggest number of uses in October with 77 uses. How it happened is clearly thanks to layering. First layer cream blush, second layer dandelion that I use as a finishing powder, and third layer powder blush, which can be a mix of 2 blushes. So with up to 3 or 4 blushes each day, you understand how I reach the 77 uses in 1 month. Knowing this, it makes sense that my most used blushes are my 2 cream blushes with 15 and 14 uses in October, followed by dandelion with 7 uses, and I also used pink macaron 7 times and frat boy 5 times because I was late on these ones. And I also used the Stila blush 5 times because I have the black shade next to it in another project pan, so I often add the palette in hand. The best part is that I'm 10 uses away from my goal, which is so cool, and if I mix 2 powder blushes every day, I'm only 5 days away from my goal. And now the strangest thing is that there is a part of me that can't wait to be able to use any blush that I want regardless of the number of uses it has, and there's another part of me that thinks that it would be so doable to reach at least 21 uses on each blush. What if I was aiming for more than 20 uses on each blush? I know I'm crazy. Anyway, this blush challenge will probably be a success when I'll see you for the finale. However, there is some suspense on whether or not I will be able to finish the palette. So I'll see you for the denouement. Thanks for watching. Bye.